My husband had broken his hip and I was taking him to therapy, and I picked up one of the brochures that was in the office where he was taking therapy, and I read it and I called him and came for my consultation, and in turn I thought it would be good for me, so I came for a consultation and had the procedure done. My name is Carol Frederick, and I am a patient of Dr. Margerney at the Vascular Institute of Michigan. I was suffering from knee pain. I had knee replacement in both knees, and my right knee was really bad. Afterwards, it would like freeze up when I sat, or I'd get a lot of pain. And when I got up, I would limp. The pain that I was experiencing with my knees, both of them, I couldn't walk and keep up with anybody I was walking with because I was always behind them. I couldn't walk fast enough. And then in the grocery store, I would always have to get a cart to lean on because it was painful to walk. My experience here at the office, the staff is fantastic, and doctor is really great, very personable, and he gave me a call after I had my procedure the next day, and I was really surprised because most doctors don't do that, and that meant a lot to me. After the procedure, I was astonished at how I felt the next day, so I was really pleased with it. My pain now is like a zero. Like, I can do my gardening. I can walk up the stairs like a normal person now instead of one step at a time. And I can keep up with somebody when they're walking. Matter of fact, I walked faster than my daughter when she was here. So I was really pleased with that. I would recommend the GA procedure to anybody who is suffering from pain because Dr. Margie is fantastic, and the surgery was nothing. Like the next day, I was feeling relieved already. So yes, I would recommend him. I was really satisfied, and I'm going to come Monday. I have an appointment for a consultation with my shoulder, and hopefully he can do the same thing with my shoulder because I'm having a lot of pain in the shoulder, and I don't want to have surgery at my age, so yes.